As pet owners, one thing you don't want to be worrying about when your animal is taken ill or is involved in an accident is money. That is why we recommend that owners considering insuring their pets. It can be daunting for owners when they are looking into cover for their pets. There are so many different companies and lots of different cover options to choose from. I will run through some key points that you might like to consider. What type of cover is provided and how are any benefit limits applied? This varies greatly between providers. At one end of the scale, you have policies where the period you can claim for a condition is time limited, usually to 12 months from the onset of the condition. So if a dog is unfortunate to develop a long-term condition such as diabetes or arthritis, the condition will be covered for 12 months only and then become excluded from cover thereafter. Other policies don't apply time limits, but instead apply a financial limit to each condition. After this limit is reached, the condition in question is excluded from the cover. You then have lifelong policies whose benefits recharge each time the policy renews. Sometimes the benefit limit is applied to all conditions that may rise in the policy period, and sometimes the benefit limit is applied per condition. How is the excess collected? The excess is the amount the policyholder has to contribute towards claims. The amount and frequency that this is collected varies by provider. Some companies will collect the veterinary fees excess once per condition per year, whereas some will collect this once per condition as a one-off. Is there a copayment? A copayment is an additional amount the policyholder may need to contribute in addition to the excess. This is typically a percentage of the total amount claimed. Again, the percentage and age from which this applies varies between providers. How are claims processed? Most insurance companies will state that they offer a direct claim facility. This means that the policyholder only pays their vet any applicable excess and/or co-payments, and the balance for eligible claims is settled direct with the vet. However, this facility is offered entirely at the discretion of the vet themselves. These are just general pointers to consider when looking into insurance. It is up to each owner to identify a policy that suits their individual demands and needs. The VetSure range has been designed with vets to help ensure that the policies can cover the range of treatments that your pet may need. VetSure aims to offer reliable, high-quality pet insurance at reasonable prices. VetSure pay us promptly for the cost of eligible treatments. You will be able to make your claims direct with us. This means that you don't have to fork out for the whole bill at the time of paying for eligible treatments. You will only have to pay the excess at the time of treatment, and we will receive the rest of the treatment costs from VetSure. The excess is collected once only per condition, not per condition per year. VetSure policies offer lifelong with per condition limits with recharge every time the policy is renewed. If your pet is unlucky enough to suffer from multiple unrelated conditions, the limit applies to each and every condition, such that, in theory, your pet has limitless total cover. There is a 10% discount when you take out VetSure for 2 or more pets, and there is also a 10% introductory discount for the first year, regardless of whether the policy is purchased online or over the phone.